Continuous. Continuous.
Continuous.
Subscribe
Subscribe
our channel
our channel
on YouTube.
in YouTube.
Now,
Now,
we're going
we're going
to translate
to translate
each
each
Irish word
Irish word
into
into
English.
English.
Number 1.
Leaba.
Tama. Bed yun. Telefish.
Telefish.
Te-
Television.
Oo, telefish.
Ah?
Slow.
Television.
Television. Vision. Telefish. Television. Sloan.
Sloan.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Kula-bula.
Bula-bula.
Kula-bula. Scale.
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 Story.
Story.
S.
S.
H.
H.
K.
K.
E.
A.
Y.
Y.
L.
L.
Scale.
Scale.
Plomos.
Plamos.
Yung plomos, flattery.
Flattery.
Pambobola.
Pambobola.
Yung marami sinasabi, plomos. Sosta.
Sosta.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
And happy.
And happy.
Content.
Content.
Or pleased.
Birthday.
Gansy.
Guns.
Jumper.
Jumper.
Bulabus.
Bulabus.
Ang bulabus, congratulations. Kapag halimbawa nagtapos ka sa elementary, ano sasabihin mo? Congrats.
Congratulations.
Bulabus.
Bulabus.
Maria.
Maria.
Ang ibig sabihin ng Maria, as if. Maria.
Maria.
Nasaan yung as if dito?
As if.
Oh, ito, as.
If.
If. Tama. Cowheel.
Cowheel.
Ang cowheel, where is? Where is? Cowheel. Where is? Kentamay. Kentamay.
What time is it?
Is it? Thank you, Sarin.
Thank you.